We're the Terry Train. We're from Memphis, Tennessee. Long way from home. We'll be traveling around the country, visiting various Democrat candidates, supporting President Trump. We'll be leaving soon, so we're going to invite you to get your cameras out, you media people who want to see a show. Rush Limbaugh mentioned the band today on his radio show. We're excited about that. Thank you, Rush.
What station do you like to listen to?
We listen to Rush.
Oh, how about on TV?
TV, you know who we listen to. CNN.
All right.
That's why we wrote the song, CNN Sucks. Here we go, boys.
Testing 1, 2.
Go. Justin, count it. Go,
Right.
go.
Do you guys ever watch CNN?
Yes.
What do you think?
We'll never get that time back. We'll never get that time.
Yeah. And what city are you from?
Memphis, Tennessee.
Memphis, Tennessee. Okay. Thank you.
Have a son?
And what was the line about Jake Tapper?
Jake Tapper makes you want to hurl.
Jake Tapper. Okay.
All right. Trump's one.